Hello friends, today's topic is white lithium grease. It is the most popular product in the lubricant category. So, to educate ourselves, let us analyze white lithium grease. Popular packaging formats are spray, tube and nozzle, but spray one is most handy. Let us discuss the important parameters before buying white lithium grease. Grease consistency, viscosity and cohesiveness all depends how thick the lubricant is. Adhesiveness will determine how it sticks to the other surfaces. The working temperature limit. It is mostly between -80 to 150 degrees Celsius or 0 to 300 degree Fahrenheit approximately. But it varies from product to product. Odor. How does it smell? Dropping point. The lubricant turns into liquid when heated at certain temperature. This test is for quality control to verify that soap structure has been formed correctly and will withstand high temperatures. It determines the cohesiveness of the oil and the thickener of a grease. Oxidation resistance means inhibition to corrosion or rust forming. Last but not the least, VOC compliance. We will discuss some parameters in details in upcoming slides. Viscosity of the lubricant is indicated by NLGI grade chart. This is a standardized grade chart called the National Lubricating Grease Institute grade chart, short form as NLGI chart. The NLGI grade chart is pretty self-explanatory, but let us understand the ASTM column. In the ASTM test, the grease is sheared using a mechanical worker device by 60 double strokes, simulating the use of the grease. The penetration test begins with the grease at 25 degrees Celsius being leveled into a cup. The sample size and cone weight for this test are determined by your application's need. Using a pentometer, a cone is dropped in the cup for 5 seconds, creating a hole in the grease. The technician records the depth in tenth of a millimeter of this hole. This value is known as the worked penetration value as per ASTM, which can be seen in the grade chart. Diagram depicts that when aerosol is sprayed onto the surface, some gases are evaporated and the surface is coated with the residual compounds. These evaporated gases contains VOC. VOC, that is volatile organic compound. VOC are those emitted gases that can be harmful. These emissions are controlled by state regulations. Every state has its own different regulation, which is guided by Environmental Protection Agency, the EPA. The flash point is the lowest temperature at which vapors ignite if given an ignition source. Fire point is the lowest temperature at which vapors keep burning after the ignition source is removed. Flammability limit. It is the volume percentage of aerosol at 25 degrees Celsius and atmospheric pressure. This limit is the concentration of a gas or vapor in air capable of producing flash of fire in the presence of an ignition source. Finally, we reach the WLG slide. Grease is generally made up of base oil and thickener with additives like extreme pressure, that is EP, anti-wear example, zinc dialkyl diothiophosphate, the ZDDP, antioxidation compound, solid lubricants like molybdenum disulfide, graphite, boron nitrate. These are added to enhance specific properties as per the requirement. White lithium grease contains lithium soap, that is lithium stearate or lithium complex as thickener with petroleum derivatives added to form the lubricant. But what gives the famous white color to the WLG? Exact formulation is trade secret, but mostly titanium dioxide and zinc oxide are added with lithium that is also silvery gray in color that provide white coloration to the lubricant. WLG can be easily removed by degreaser or brake cleaner product. WLG has many advantages such as it can withstand moisture, high heat. It can also provide rust and corrosion inhibition properties. But don't forget to remove rust from the surface before applying. It is best suited for metal to metal contact lubrication. Some applications of WLG are hinges, gears, garage doors, car seat guardrails, and car doors. At the end, I would like to say that there are many products in the market, but please read the specification sheet before buying your product. Please don't just go by reviews. Choose your product wisely that follows environmental and safety rules. If you find this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you would like to improve the content, please comment. I am open to suggestions. I will be sharing links in the description section for further information. Please check out. Thank you.